In order to solve this one, the first thing we're going to do is factor. We have a difference of squares. So that's going to be our first step. We have y over y minus 1 plus 3 over y plus 1. And we have 2 over, that's going to be y plus 1, y minus 1. The purpose for factoring is so that way we can see what the LCD is going to be. In this case, the LCD is just going to be y plus 1, y minus 1. Y plus 1 and y minus 1. We're going to put this in front of all these fractions. Y plus 1, y minus 1. We'll put that times the first fraction, y over y minus 1. Then we have y plus 1, y minus 1 over 1 times 3 over y plus 1. And then we'll do the same thing over here. So now we've put that in front of all these fractions, we can now start canceling. Y minus 1 and y minus 1 cancel there. Plus 1 and plus 1, that cancels out there. And we have all this and all this, that's going to cancel out as well. So we get y times y plus 1. And we have plus 3 times y minus 1. And that's going to equal just a 2 on this side. So after we cancel everything out, this is what we have left over. If you pick the right thing for the LCD, you should always get the fractions to cancel. So you should have no more fractions after you do that multiplying and canceling step. Okay, so next thing, we're going to multiply this. We have y squared plus y. We have plus 3y minus 3 equals 2. We want to get the like terms. So y squared, we add the like terms. That's going to be plus 4y. And then we have minus 5 equals 0 because we're going to subtract 2 from both sides here and move that over to the left-hand side. So subtract 2. So when we get negative 5 from. Now we want to factor this. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to be 5 and add to be 4. It's only going to be 1 and 5. We want the middle term to be positive, so we'll put the positive next to the larger number there. So we have 5 minus 4 does give us positive 4 there, and negative 1 times 5 gives us negative 5. We now just want to set both of these equal to 0, and we get y equals 1 and y equals negative 5. Now notice that if I put y equals 1 into here, that does cause division by 0, which means that that answer we need to eliminate. Remember to always check your answers because whatever you put in there can't get division by 0. Negative 5, though, negative 5 is okay because that doesn't cause division by 0. So this problem only has one solution, y equals negative 5. We can do one more similar one. So this, we need to factor that one first. So we get 7 over x minus 3. We have this. And over here, we can factor this x plus 3, x minus 3, because of the difference of squares. This is our LCD. We're going to put this in front of all the fractions. So x plus 3, x minus 3, all over 1. We'll multiply that times the first fraction. Then we have minus x plus 3, x minus 3 over 1, 8 over x plus 3. And then we put it over here, x plus 3, x minus 3 over 1 times the right-hand side. Okay, so now we're going to cancel out the x plus or x minus 3's cancel out there. X plus 3's cancel out here. And we have all this cancels with the right-hand side. So if we eliminate that, we get 7 times x plus 3. And we have minus 8 times x minus 3 we have for this part left over. Then we have equals 2 because everything else cancels out there. 7x plus 21, then we have minus 8x plus 24. That's going to equal 2. So be careful with the plus signs on that. 7x minus 8x is negative x. Then 21 plus 24 is going to be 45. We need to subtract both sides. So this is what we have now. We're going to subtract 45 from both sides. We get negative x is equal to negative 43. Divide both sides by negative 1. And we end up with the answer of 43, which doesn't make any of the denominators 0. And that's going to be our answer, x equals 43.